Ariba says, do angels not enter a house in which a woman is not covering her head? Ariba, this is one of the misconceptions popularly, widely spread in the subcontinent, in India, in Pakistan, in Bangladesh, where, unfortunately, the ignorant imbeciles there enforce upon women in their homes to cover their head whenever adhan is called, whenever they want to eat, or when they enter the toilet. And all of this is totally bogus, baseless. Maybe it has to do with Hindu religion that these guys adhere to, I don't know. In Islam, there is no such thing as that, because that would cause a huge deal of hardship. And why would a woman cover up her head when the adhan is called, or when she's eating, when there's no one except her father, her brother, or her husband? That's ridiculous. Unfortunately, the vast majority of Muslims nowadays do not adhere, do not listen or follow Quran and Sunnah. All the billions of Muslims you see, they adhere to culture, to what Maulana says, to the customs, to what the elders say, and none of this is related to Islam. As a Muslim, you are obliged to follow Quran and Sunnah. Anyone comes up with a silly notion as such, you tell them, show me evidence that the Prophet did this, or ordered this, the companions, the tabi'een, the tabi'at tabi'een, show it to me in the Quran. And if they fail to do so, then ignore them and pay no attention, none whatsoever.